My dryer is done. Let's open it. Oh my god, my dryer is well. I'll be waiting for the other one to finish. The other one is here washing. I'm going to add it. Wow. Hello guys, follow us. We are going to a special wash house. Let me just call it wash house. You guys know one certain time I unboxed big deke or big dover or blanket, very big one, you understand. So because of that big it is, you can't use your normal washing machine to wash when it's dirty. So we are looking for factory washing machine where we are going to go and wash it, and that is what we are looking for. And so follow us. Let's see if we can find anyone or any place where we can wash it, and also maybe dry it as well, or if not, we can come back with it and spray it, because now it's the summertime and the summer can dry it, but we can't wait to allow it to dry, unless they still have a dryer that cannot waste too much time. So we are going to take you along and just join us. I am with someone here. Say hello.
Hello.
So I'm with my hubby. So we are going to, let me show you the way where we are going to. This is the way. So this is the way there is a place, the block. Normally we are not following the main roads, the block somewhere where we're supposed to follow, but now we are following this track road to come out where we are going to go. So follow us. Let's go. If you are living in Germany, let me know if you have something like an industrial machine where you can wash a very big double that you cannot wash at home. Let me know if it is in your local or your city, or where you are living here. Okay, I will get to you when we reach there. So guys, we have reached there. Let's go in, and let me show you how we are going to wash with the industrial machine. Let's go there. Do you want to drink water? Let's go there. Let me show you how to wash with industrial machine. I want to drink too. Guys, it is too hot here. We carried our water from the house, our chilled water. So let's. So guys, this is what we are going to wash. Our deke, our devil. So let's go in.
Yeah, put that. No, in the machine, Dals. Quick. Open the door of the machine here.
So you want the fabric soft?
Yes, quick, hun. There's someone waiting, Dals. Come on. Just put it all in one. Quick. That's all. That'll all do.
And the
Hello.
fabric
Oh, hello.
softener? And the fabric softener?
Yes. Thank you.
Aber sind Sie hier oder nicht?
Pardon?
Aber sind Sie hier?
Well, yeah. Pardon?
Do you work here?
No.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Just help yourself and do what you can. I think so. Okay. This is dryer. Can this enter our? Can this small machine enter this? This is too big now. This is a small machine.
Okay.
Yes, guys.
Oh
look at-
my
look
God.
at- look at- This is the machines. 7 kilos, 7 kilos. Machine are here. 7 kilo machines. And this is also okay. Look at the 8 kilo here. 12. Look at 12 kilo here.
Are you gonna leave the bags here?
Here is 12 kilo, and this is 18 on that. Is it that's 18 kilo? And this is 18 kilo. This is a dryer. This is a dryer here. So let's see whether 18 kilo can wash our own. Okay, let's bring it. Chere?
Oh, no. What is it? Just like you
No, you can no buy incha here. I would have come with our own soap, but we can get soap here now. So look at how this used to be. You have to buy soap here. Let's put some money and buy soap. Pova. Here is a Pova.
Natural washing. Oh, okay.
Let me get some money.
So we're gonna come back and then put it in the dryer?
Let's try. You have to get your. You have to put some money.
I think right here.
Okay. We have not been here before. This is our first time, so we have to read first of all. Okay, when you press there. Okay, yeah. Then it will show you 50 cents. Now I add 50 cents here. Then it will. Let's see whether it will going to pour some washing soap. Ah, yeah. So that is how it works. Finish? I think so. Really? Why is it saying pay 50? Zero. Listen. So I put another 50 cents again. Is this 50 cents or 20 cents? So I put another 50 cents. Come and press. Come and press. You press. Then it will put more soap. Aha. So I think this is going to be enough for one of our devil. Let's see. I'll just add it first. Let's see. But first of all, we have to add our this thing, right?
Yeah, because the one.
Okay, let me get this, the one that is more dirty. So you have to add the brown one. But this is too big here. To buy this is not easy. It's better you don't buy this thing, because if you buy this to wash it, it's going to give you a tough time. So where will we put our soap now? Now here you can put the soap, and we didn't even come with our softener, right? I don't know that you can come. I would have come with our soap now. We have soap, we have everything as well. You know? Yeah. Because if you wash this thing without putting your softener, it's not going to scent well. Plus, this is an industrial machine. Do you know how to use it? Okay. We have to pay now, right?
Huh?
How will we do it now?
I think first of all,
you choose the kilo you are washing.
yeah, like
We are washing with 18 kilo. Then you press the one of 18 kilo. That is 10 euro, right?
yeah, I think
One up. I'm just reading before now. So how will we do it now? Look at here. What's the meaning of this? I think we are learning, Sha. This is our first time. Let's just see how it works. so you close it, then you press. I think you have to press. So guys, we have paid and also started the machine. It's now washing. We bought 1 euro soap. Wash powder, then we added it and pay here. So after paying here now, and the machine started by itself after pressing it. I didn't really show you how the thing works
1 hour 19 minutes.
because we are trying to figure out how it works. Can we put this one too so that we can now go and come back later?
Where will you put it?
This one.
This is small for this.
So I finished washing the end. So let's open. Wow. Wow. So look at how it washed. No, not too much, but it's still. Oh, I'm trying. Come and help me. So we are going to put it in a dryer. Here. Up here. As right in a soft knock, I can like it's perfume. Then we close. We are going to start it now to begin to dry like this one. Huh?
3 euro.
I'm going to 5 euro. Then you press the number. You have pressed. Then I think you have to press somewhere here. Start. Come here. Come here and press that.
5 euro.
My dryer is done. Let's open it. Oh my God. My dryer is well dried. It's well dried. Look at it. Look at it. 30 minutes and it dried very well. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It dries very, very well. I'm going to pack it now and go and put it in there. This is very big, you know. I'll be waiting for the other one to finish. The other one is here washing. I'm going to add it soon. And here are other people's own washing. Yeah, I think I've made a very good thing today. I've known how to wash with this. So this is me waiting for our clothes to dry. This is not easy. If you want to do this, you have to bring out time because washing can take a lot of time. Okay, can take a lot of time. If you don't have time, please don't come for this industrial machine. So the problem we have was, had it been they have 18 kilo of industrial machines separately, like they have 2 of it, it will be easier for us. So we add the first one and add the second one to wash at the same time. Now it will be as they are drying, but now we just they have only 18 kilo of industrial machine, and our developer is going to take the 18 kilo one. So what we did is to wash the first one and add it in the dryer, and then we add the second one, and now it is washing. The one of drying is drying. Drying takes only 30 minutes and it is finished, but washing take 1 hour 19 minutes. So let me know if you're going to try this. Are you going to try it, or are you not going to go and buy this big decke or big blanket or big dove, or whatever you call it in your country? We call it here decke. So let me know if you're going to buy it, or because of the it's a lot of work, okay? Because we have used this for some time now. We are looking for where to wash it until I say, okay, today I think we are free. Let's go and wash it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you love something like this. Okay, I'm going to be bringing something like this with you, like lifestyle, what we do, the day-to-day business. Bye. Love you all. I'll not even show you what I was wearing. This is what I am wearing, guys. So bye.